Before you start trading, ask yourself first, are you ready or are you desperate? Because desperate trading destroys your money, relationship, and mental health. Everyone wants a fast money, but very few are ready to take responsibility for trading. Today, I'll share you all 8 life habits or requirements that you must meet before you start trading, or you shouldn't start at all. Number 8, the family support is mandatory, especially if people depends on you. You must inform, involve, and get emotional support from your family before risking money, though they are never going to accept you. Number 7, not lazy and willing to learn. Trading is a profession. If you're lazy and want easy money, trading is not for you. Number 6, meditation or stress control. Markets are stressful. Without emotional control, fear and greed will control you. Number 5, good time management with your family. Trading should not steal time from your family. If family suffers, your mind will suffer and trading will fail. Number 4, avoid addiction. Drugs, alcohol, and other addiction weakens your discipline and decision making. Two things the trader cannot afford to lose. Number 3, basic English and numbering. You must understand news, chart, percentage, and risks. If you can't read and calculate properly, the trading becomes gambling. Number 2, no debt or credit. If you trade with a debt pressure, you will panic, overtrade, and lose control. Clear your liabilities first. Number 1, stable job or passive income. Trading income is unstable. You need a stable salary or passive income so trading pressure doesn't force a bad decision.